Guys, what is going on? Welcome to my channel, and for today's video I have a really special one. As you can see right here, I got a MacBook Pro, and I'm sorry for like this close-up shot, how it's just like my lens is just like that. So yeah, I got the one with the touch bar, and I'm really excited. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this thing. I'm excited. Oh, there she blows. So, I got the silver one, and that seems very obvious based off the color here. See? Silver, you got headphone jack and ports, and I like the silver one better than my space gray MacBook Air. Here we have the USB-C cable. Paperwork, we got our USB-C brick. This is a 61 watt brick. The computer, shall we? I think we shall. Do a nice lift up. And guys, just so you know, I've already unboxed this thing. This was just a mockery. Well, it's not a mockery, but this thing is awesome, and it's fast. It's great, and I will put up some pictures of when it was arriving, or videos when it was arriving.
What you got there, Collin?
A MacBook Pro. We don't want to open it. Oh my goodness. Here it is. The computer. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.